Part 3rd of chapter 27, Ever Changing Weather. One more important part of the weather is water cycle. Let us understand what is the role of the sun in water cycle. Have you ever wondered how does it rain or what causes rain? Before this, first let us understand two processes, evaporation and condensation. Have you ever seen in your kitchen that when your mother boils water, it changes into steam or water vapor? This changing of water into water vapor is called evaporation. Have you observed a puddle of water dries by itself after few days? What causes it to dry up? Is it a magic? No. Due to the heat of the sun, the evaporation from all the water bodies like sea, river, lakes, and even a puddle of water, etc., goes on all the time, and hence the puddle of water dries up. Do you know why the wet clothes dry faster in the summer season than the winter season? It is because the evaporation is faster due to the high temperature during summer. Let us do another small experiment. Take two wet towels. Make two folds of the first towel. Hang both the towel on the cloth line to dry in the sunlight. Which towel will dry faster and why? The folded towel takes longer time to dry. The second towel, which was unfolded and stretched properly on the cloth line, dries faster because larger area is exposed for evaporation and hence evaporation is faster. Now we will understand the second process. If you cover the boiled water with the lid, you will observe tiny droplets of water on the inner surface of the lid. What does this happen? The steam or water vapor due to the boiling water cools down and changes into tiny droplets of water. This process is called condensation. Condensation is just the opposite of evaporation. Like in the case of water vapor from the boiling water changing into droplets of water on cooling, the same thing happens in the water cycle. We know when the sun shines, the heat of the sun evaporates water from various water bodies like ponds, lakes, rivers, and oceans. This water vapor rises up into the sky. It makes the cool air. Then the water vapor becomes cold and changes into water droplets. The water droplets keep collecting to form clouds. But when there is too much collection of water droplets in the clouds become heavy. This means the cloud can no longer hold this much amount of water and the water starts to fall back in the form of rain. So we see both the evaporation and condensation result in the rainfall. So, the continuous movement of water from the earth's surface to the sky and back again to the earth's surface is called water cycle.